going to ask a very simple question, but
Please. I like simple
could you explain
questions.
what a browser is and where does a browser fit in with this accessibility?
Well, a browser is typically what we call the thing that lets us interact with the internet. It's a piece of software or a window that opens that lets you interact with the internet. So a browser could be anything from Internet Explorer to, since you use the Mac, Safari, or Firefox also you can put on the Mac. There's Chrome, right, which is put out by Google. There's, I don't even know, there's a bunch of different, sorry?
Opera.
There you go. Right, so there's different browsers, and they're basically the interpreters of the internet. I guess that's the best way that I can think of it, right? They take the internet and they give you an interpretation of it that is viewable. Now, each browser works a little bit differently. They have different shortcut keys, different ways of representing the information. So depending on what your screen reader is, and depending on what the website is, a different browser might work differently. For example, I just registered for classes this week, and I have to download my textbooks from Learning Ally, which is formerly the RFB&D, something for the blind, Readings for the Blind and Dyslexic. Thank you. So that website didn't work on my Internet Explorer, but it did work on Google Chrome. So go figure. It's sometimes it's random like that. And so the more browsers you have experience with, I think personally is better for all of us, because then you have options, you know? And it's the same thing with anything, as you know, the more you know, the more options you have, yeah? But that's basically what a browser is, or what is referred to as a browser, and what we're talking about. Sure.